COVID-19 has brought unprecedented change in our Gainesville ISD community. Through everything, we've pulled together and it's been all hands on deck. Our bus drivers became delivery drivers. Our central office leaders became COVID-19 specialists. Our classroom teachers became virtual classroom teachers. Our parents became home learning coaches. And our students have embraced the use of technology to reinforce learning.
Thank you for working twice as hard. Thank you to our entire Gainesville community. We've come together to ensure our students have what they need to be successful. I am so proud of our faculty, staff, students, and community. You inspire me every day.
Every leopard, every day.
Every leopard, every day.
Thank you, GISD.
Thank you, GISD.
Thank you, GISD.
We've got this.
We got this. Lo tenemos.
We've got this.
We've got this.